What if your operation could see what traditional cameras can't see? Welcome to the world of shortwave infrared. SWIR wavelengths range between 900 and 1700 nanometers. That's just beyond where visible light ends and just before where thermal imaging begins. Unlike thermal cameras, SWIR imaging uses reflective light, revealing details hidden to the eye. For years, SWIR meant costly cameras built with indium gallium arsenide sensors. The higher cost of in-gas sensors has prohibited broader adoption of SWIR in most industries. However, things change with colloidal quantum dot material. onsemi builds SWIR sensors on standard silicon wafers using CQD technology. The CQD sensors are driving costs down, unlocking SWIR imaging for industries like industrial automation, automotive, aerospace, defense and security, food processing, and consumer electronics. CQD sensors deliver higher resolution and wider spectral range thanks to wafer-scale manufacturing, impossible with traditional in-gas sensors. onsemi SWIR sensors also extend shortwave infrared spectral response spanning 400 nanometers to 2100 nanometers, opening new possibilities in mining, agriculture, and industrial inspection. From inspecting silicon wafers or solar panels, analyzing moisture in food products, or enabling autonomous navigation in challenging environments, onsemi CQD SWIR sensors bring next-generation imaging to real-world applications. Discover how onsemi is making the power of SWIR more affordable and more powerful than ever before. Learn more today